Hello aspirants, let's quickly analyze the differences between a tribe, scheduled tribe and a particularly vulnerable tribal group. Tribe is nothing but a socio-cultural term. It does not have its own individual definition. It is defined on the basis of the cultural characteristics. Like, a tribe can be a tribe because it is backward, isolated, there is common ownership of property, endogamy, cultural homogeneity, kinship-based system or primitive economy. In India, we have an approximation of greater than 2,000 tribes, though it is not documented well. Out of these tribes, there are certain groups which require specific attention. That is why a word comes scheduled tribe, which is an administrative term. It is not a cultural term, it is an administrative term which has been defined under Article 366, 25 and 342 of the Constitution. In India, out of these total tribes, we have 705 tribes which are labeled as scheduled tribes. Now, what is the criteria for identifying a scheduled tribe out of a tribe? It is given by the Lokur committee based on certain parameters like primitive trait, distinctive culture, shyness of contact with the other people, geographical isolation and backwardness. Now please remember one thing. Out of these scheduled tribe also, there are certain groups which are very backward. So that means the most backward among the scheduled tribes also, they have been categorized as particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Out of the 705 scheduled tribes, you have 75 particularly vulnerable tribal groups. These are the most backward scheduled tribes. Now the criteria for identifying a PVDG out of the scheduled tribe has been given by the Dibar Commission, like parameters like declining or stagnant population, pre-agricultural level technology, low literacy and economic backwardness. So in a way we can say, if you want to represent this, we can say it is basically this macro level, the tribes. Within the tribes, you have the scheduled tribes. Within the scheduled tribes, you have the particularly vulnerable tribal groups. So these are the differences. Hopefully you enjoyed it and learned it, which is important from your perspective of your general studies as well as your optional papers.